Hi students, as part of online class, in the fifth chapter quadratic equations, there is another method called finding roots by perfect square method. How we do? Let us see. As we all know, the quadratic equation in one variable is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here a is not equal to 0. If a is 0, this x square will not be there, so its degree will be only one linear equation. So if a is not equal to 0, I can divide the whole equation by a, so that it will be x square plus b by ax plus c by a. Now I have to make it perfect square. How can I make? It should be in the form of x square plus b plus b square. So I am writing x square. What is in place of x square? X square. 2ab, 2 into x, a means x, b plus in place of b by 2a is there. So b by 2a, but b square is not there. I have to take b square. So c by a as it is I am writing. So I am in place of b by 2a is there. I am adding b square means b by 2a whole square on both sides. So I am getting this one. This part will be a plus b whole square. A means x, b means b by 2a whole square. X plus b by 2a whole square equal to b square by 4a square. If c by a goes that side, it will be c by a. Now x plus b by a whole square will be, by taking LCM, you will get b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now see, if a square is equal to b square or a square equal to b, then a equal to plus or minus root b. So in place of b, what is there? This whole part, root of plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 4 square, that is equal to, after taking square root on both sides. Now x is equal to minus b by 2a. If plus b by 2a comes the right side, it will be minus b by 2a plus or minus. Now square root of 4a square is 2a, so root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now in the denominator both are equal, so minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is applicable for all quadratic equations in X. So this is general method. You can find directly where ABC are coefficients and C is a constant number. So this is the formula for finding roots by perfect square method. Now we see nature of roots. If delta equal b square minus 4ac, and if delta is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the given equation will have, that is quadratic equation will have no roots. That we can show like this graphical method. In the second, if delta equal to 0, that means b square minus 4ac equal to 0, this whole part will be 0. So only it will have repeated roots, that is minus b by 2a. So in that case, curve will be a parabola. In all the cases it is a parabola, but it touches in any of the 4 cases. In the third, if delta is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are unequal and they are real and unequal, means different roots. In that case, curve will be either of the 4 cases. I am mentioning B means it is a vertex. Vertex is given by minus b by 2a, comma 4ac minus b square by 4ac. So this is the method and nature of the roots.